Hi guys, in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install PHP 8.5 on Ubuntu operating system. To get the command in Google search box, write there PHP, then go on this PHP site here, click on this download. This here, you can see Linux, Windows, you can select. This is for Mac. So let's use the Linux here, Ubuntu. You can select your operating system, Ubuntu. There 8.5, that's going to select this, and here you need to use this command. So let's copy, and there you need to open this terminal. Increasing the size a little bit. Now let's paste this. So sudo apt install -y php 8.5. Press enter, give their password, and this here you can see installing PHP 8.5 and this all dependencies. So here this is doing some download as well as install. So for this one, net should be connected for download process, and here you can see currently this is creating config file, and total percentage is 61. So here 88% that's done. It will only take few seconds times to complete this. So this done here, PHP that installed successfully. Thereafter, let's use their clear command. If I write there PHP --version, so 8.54 that install, and if I write there PHP -h, so this all helping contents that's displaying. A run as an interactive cell, and H I PHP information, for if you want to get the information, so this you can get there. So this is how we can easily install this PHP 8.5 on Ubuntu. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.